Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 3 of operations management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Product design primarily focus on dash. A. Managing workforce schedules. B. Defining all characteristics of a product. C. Selecting marketing strategies. D. Allocating production budgets. The answer for this question is B. Defining all characteristics of a product. Question number 2. The easy with which a product can be made is called dash. A. Manufacturability. B. Feasibility. C. Operability. D. Standardization. The answer for this question is A. Manufacturability. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a typical stage in the product design process? A. Idea generation. B. Product screening. C. Product promotion. D. Final design. The answer for this question is C. Product promotion. Question number 4. Benchmarking is product design refers to dash. A. Randomly comparing prices across industries. B. Copying competitors' design without modification. C. Measuring performance against the best in class product. D. Creating prototypes for testing. The answer for this question is C. Measuring performance against the best in class product. Question number 5. If a company redesigns a product to use fewer parts, it is applying dash. A. Reverse engineering. B. Design simplification. C. Concurrent engineering. D. Design for environment. The answer for this question is B. Design simplification. Question number 6. Which process type offers the highest flexibility and lowest volume? A. Batch production. B. Continuous production. C. Job shop production. D. Mass production. The answer for this question is C. Job shop production. Question number 7. A concurrent engineering differ from the old over-the-wall approach mainly because it is dash. A. Separates product and process design. B. Involves suppliers only at the end. C. Encourages simultaneous design by all functions. D. Focuses only on cost reduction. The answer for this question is C. Encourages simultaneous design by all functions. Question number 8. A hospital grouping departments by function. A. Radiology, surgery, pediatrics. Uses which layout? A. Product layout. B. Process layout. C. Fixed position layout. D. Hybrid layout. The answer for this question is C. Process layout. Question number 9. All firm producing 10,000 identical bottle drink daily most likely uses dash. A. Process layout. A. Batch production. C. Product layout. D. Job shop production. The answer for this question is C. Product layout. Question number 10. Which factor would most strongly discourage the use of mass production? A. High labor cost. B. Standardized demand. C. Frequent design changes. D. Stable market conditions. The answer for this question is C. Frequent design changes. Question number 11. Design capacity which is equal to 100 units per day. Effective capacity which is equal to 80 units per day. Actual output is equal to 60 units per day. Find the efficiency. So efficiency which is equal to actual output divided by effective capacity times 100. So the actual output is 60 divided by effective capacity 80 times by 100, which is equal to 75%. So the answer is C. Question number 12. Given the above data, calculate utilization. Utilization which is equal to actual output divided by design capacity times by 100. So the actual capacity, as we have seen, is 60. At question 11, it is 60. The design capacity is 100. So 60 over 100 times by 100, which is equal to 60%. So the answer is A. Question number 13. If effective capacity is 50 units per day and expected efficiency which is equal to 90%, find the expected output. So expected output which is equal to effective capacity times efficiency, which is equal to 15 times 0.9, 45 units per day. The answer is B. Question number 14. A product requires 418 minutes of total work and must produce 60 units per day. Find the cyclic time. Cyclic time which is equal to available production time divided by required output. So available production time is 480 divided by required time is 60 units per day. So the answer is 8 minutes per unit, which is alternative B. Question number 15. Total task time 480 minutes. Cyclic time 8 minutes. Find the theoretical minute number of workstations. So the number of workstation which is equal to total task time divided by cycle time, which is equal to 480 divided by 8 is equal to 60. This 60 with rounding correction depending on balance will nearly 50. So the answer is A. Question number 16. If total task time is 80 minutes, actual number of workstation is 5, cycle time is 20 minutes. Find the efficiency. So efficiency which is equal to total task time divided by number of workstation times by cycle time times by 100. Okay, total task time is 80 divided by 5 workstations times by 20 minutes cycle time times by 100, which is equal to 80. The answer is C. Question number 17. A product with rapidly changing technology and short lifetime is most likely in which stage? A. Growth. B. Introduction. C. Maturity. D. Decline. The answer for this question is B. Introduction. Question number 18. A water transmit plant operates continuously with full automated system. This represents dash. A. Continuous production. B. Batch production. C. Job shop production. D. Mass production. The answer for this question is A. Continuous production. Question number 19. Question number 19. If a factory wants to minimize material handling cost and produces standardized goods, it should select dash. A. Process layout. B. Product layout. C. Hybrid layout. D. Fixed position layout. The answer for this question is B. Product layout. Question number 20. A company wants to reduce cost, waste, and environmental impact in design. The best approach is A. Design for robustness. B. Design for environment. C. Design for procurement. D. Design for assembly. The answer for this question is B. Design for environment. This is all about this chapter. Thank you, viewers, for attending this program.